You said that one?
Yeah. What kind of ball is that?
A hex ball and a circle.
Oh.
A circle ball too.
Oh, okay.
And he said a hex ball. He calls, because they have hexes on them, soccer balls do.
Hex ball too.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you missed it. You gotta cry.
No, I didn't. You cry. You cry. That's a miss. You cry again.
Why do you want to cry?
You cried.
No, you cried. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It almost hit my face.
It almost hit your face. All right, give Jake a high five again.
Gotta be slow.
No, I'm taking a movie now.
Oh.
I gave up on the picture.
Yes.
Where's your cousin? Right there? What's her name? Do you remember her name? What's that boy's name that's blocking you? Who's blocking you?
Jake.
Yeah.
Oh.
Baby, are you happy?
What he said.
He's copying you. Is he imitating you?
Yeah.
Are you happy, buddy?
He's not.
He's
I
not.
keep laughing.
You keep laughing at Jake.
He copied me right.
He did copy you and do that, didn't he? Tell him, say, stop copying me, Jake.
What?
Copy me, Jake.
I won't copy you anymore.
What they said.
What did Jake say?
They said, I won't copy you anymore.
Oh, good. Say thank you.